Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how we can activate the microphone on a spy pen like the V8 Pro pen. I mean, of course, I cannot guarantee that it will work with all the spy pens, but probably it will work with a lot of them. What's actually the big problem? Why is the sound or the microphone deactivated with a lot of spy cameras? I think it's an Amazon rule. It's probably not even a law. I think it's only something from Amazon, and because Amazon is the largest online store worldwide, they can pretty much dictate, they can make the rules almost like a government. And so I know already about a lot of restrictions, and probably this is also one that it's only allowed to sell spy cams or spy pen cameras on Amazon if there is no audio recorded, no microphone activated, or not even microphone built in. But in the V8 Pro pen there's a microphone built in. It's even a pretty good one. V8 Pro pen microphone test 1 2 3 4 5. But when you get the pen, you start recording and then check the video, there will be no audio on it. So what's the problem? How can we solve this? When we connect the micro SD card to a computer or Android or whatsoever, then we can see this file structure. So obviously there's some kind of Android running in the background. And usually here we have the picture, but here we don't have the pictures. We have the pictures here and we have the videos here, but we have also some other files. And especially two of them are important. First is the time, where you can adjust the date and time and say if you want to have a timestamp in the video or in the pictures, yes or no. Just change that and save it. And the thing which we are interested now is the sound ini. So you right click on edit, and then here we have it. And when you get this spy pen from the factory, it will look like that. There's a large N, just go in, delete it, replace it with a large Y, and then close and save it. And from now on you will have the audio recorded by the microphone of this spy pen. So easy it is. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have found some other ways for some other spy cams how to activate the microphone or the audio, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things and learn new stuff. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.